I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Mini Cooper tail light bulb. First, gather your tools: a new bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a T20 Torx bit. Make sure your Mini Cooper's ignition is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Now, open the boot or trunk of your car. This will give you clear access to the tail light assembly, making the next steps much easier to perform. Next, you will need to remove the tail light unit itself. Look for two T20 Torx screws that secure the tail light in position. Use your Torx bit to unscrew both of these completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light unit straight back, away from the car's body. It should slide out smoothly, revealing the bulb holders inside. Now it is time to replace the faulty bulb. Identify the specific bulb holder for the tail light and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the main housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. It might be a bit snug. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the empty socket. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands. To finish up, reinsert the bulb holder into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Carefully align the entire tail light unit with its opening on the car and push it firmly back into its original position. Reinstall the two T20 Torx screws, tightening them snugly. Finally, turn on your Mini Cooper's lights to confirm the new bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.